So welcome back, Me and You fams. We have a Me and You story time for you today. So it's a Friday night and we're at Costco, of course. We're backing out our car from our parking spot and we hear a noise. Did we forget to move the shopping cart, or did our pack of jumbo Kirkland toilet paper fall out and we're running it over? Nope. It was our Tesla Model 3 skid plate hanging down. The crazy thing is that these skid plates are made of a fiberboard cardboard composite. So once it takes a hit, gets wet or scrapes, it doesn't take much for it to fail. It's not just cosmetic. This skid plate is there to protect your wiring, your rear drive unit, your motor, and something else. Yeah, and a bunch of other important, expensive stuff down there. It's crazy how we've gone this long without it failing. So we upgraded to an alloy steel skid plate. Thicker, stronger, and designed for real-world driving. Parking lots, steep driveways, speed bumps, and Costco chaos. $75 on Amazon. All the links and information will be in the description box down below. Installation is pretty straightforward. It uses factory mounting points and basic tools. All you need is a 10mm socket to remove the 13 screws. All right, here we have it. So we removed the skid plate. This is the original fiberboard cardboard composite material. See here, it ripped, just ripped right here. But as you can see, there's a lot of debris. This skid plate does a lot of work to protect our car. But this here, this $75 alloy steel skid plate is gonna do a better job. Comes with all the parts you need. Even comes with these nice fancy gloves. Since we already have the car lifted, we decided to kill two birds with one stone. We decided to do a tire rotation at the same time, and it helps to keep the even tire wear. It's recommended to change or rotate your tires every 5,000 to 10,000 miles. All right, so installation was a breeze. From wheels up to wheels down was about less than an hour. We did the skid plate replacement and tire rotation. If this video helped you, make sure you like and subscribe for more real world, family, Costco, and car content. All the information will be in our description box down below, and we will see you in the next one.